Crude oil, okay, as we can see based on 1 hour chart, there is no much changes in compared to what we have in my last video. Okay, now if we want to look for buy, we should wait for the bigger correction. As we can see here, maybe we can expect one move down to big correction before we look for buy, because from now, if we want to look for buy, we need to be really careful, because in case there is a, the reversal, or we get the bigger correction for the continuation. All right, that's why if you want to look for buy, we need to get the correction here, not the small flag similar to what we have here before we take the buy. Because if you can see based on 1 hour chart, the main indicators show the divergence. This is, it doesn't mean the divergence can change the direction, just for our information. Okay, and even based on 1 hour MACD doesn't show anything, but from here we can see, and as well this one. And since we have this sharp move, the prices move, continuously move up, that's mean we need to get a bigger correction, maybe here or higher. We should get a bigger correction for the continuation, whether we get here or even the price move higher before we get that. Okay, and even based on daily chart, you can see that mostly we should expect one more bigger correction. Okay, I don't think we get the reversal, only bigger correction. That's why any buy from now, we should wait and get the proper correction before look for buy, not only a small flag. Okay, because those are the short term. Anyway, mostly I think we can expect the price to drop, we get the bigger correction, whether come to this level or not, before we look for buy. If we want to look for buy, we need to complete wait for this correction. All right, and if, how about if the sharply price, the is a move from here, I don't think so we can get we can have any trade setup. And we don't need to talk about the sell. Mostly we look for the bigger correction for the continuation. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and anyone wants to buy, they should be quite careful about this. Okay, and because if the price sharply move from here, I don't think we have any option to trade. And even based on forward chart and daily chart, I show we should expect a bigger correction. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup, and just we wait and see how this correction can form before we take the trade thing.